Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to do some queue busting on the actual PDA. So what do I mean by that? So if I log myself into the actual PDA, and it's this section here, the sales section. So we click on there, it'll ask me to select a cart. It starts at cart 4 because cart 1, 2 and 3 are reserved just for the till. So I'll click on cart 4 now. Now say for example you're literally on the shop floor, you're in the actual queue, doing a bit of queue management. Someone's actually still waiting in the queue. So what you can do, you can actually scan all their items and put their details onto the PDA, so then it'll be ready for when they actually get to the actual till. So to actually select the customer, all you do, you just slide across, click on customer. You can obviously search for them however you wish, but for this particular set, I'll just click on here and go for that one. And then what I can then do, I can actually scan the actual items they have in their hand or in their basket. So throw that one in there, for example, and then I can throw another one as well. So they're both scanned. If I want to change the quantity, I can scroll across and delete it if I wish to. Or if I want to change the quantity, change it like that and go set quantity. I can even do a temporary price change as well, say if I've ever done a deal with them on the actual shop floor. So I'll set the quantity for that one and go to accept. Let me just put that other item back in now, just so we've got some more. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. Now, obviously, there is a pay now section here, but it's not currently ready yet. It's still in development. So if you click on that, it's not actually available as yet, but it will be soon in the future. So we'll click OK on that. So then what happens, you go to the next person, you can click on cart 5, do the same thing again, scan all their items. So what happens now, you can actually tell the customer that you are on cart 4. So then when you go over to here, what we'll do is we'll click on this section down here and click on cart 4. And there you have it. There's the items and there's customer selectors, and then it can be processed straight away by the cashier. So we can just go cash and process it straight away. And there you have it. Nice little bit of a queue busting there for you. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and I'll check you out next time. See you now.